You girls shouldn't be doing that.
It's recording.
Oh, what's she? Is she okay? What is she eating?
Adrian!
Oh. No, she's getting excited. Is she okay?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, they ate big lips. She needs a drink.
Hi.
Grandma? Say hi. Rub your nipple.
Now, pick him up.
Adrian, come on. It's
Adrian, you
recording.
gotta do your nipple part.
Yeah, do
Come
it.
on.
You don't have to do the what you call other part. You just
You don't have
gotta
to tuck it between your legs.
You just gotta do the nipple part.
Hey, I got some around here.
You can wear eyes.
No, not doing it for the lip gloss.
Mom, give him some lip gloss.
Wait, I'll go find some lip gloss.
Yeah, your the stuff that you use for your lips, your chat lip stuff.